Jiayuanda Tech Ultrasonic Welding Transducer for welder transmission has fast speed, small negative resistance, and high conversion efficiency. Independent research and development and manufacture of piezoelectric ceramic sheets have stable performance, high Q value, low calorific value, and high electrical conversion efficiency. It will not loosen or break under high-frequency oscillation. The electrode piece is made of beryllium bronze-plated lead-free solder wire, ensuring good electrical conductivity in the ultrasonic welder transducer. Also, it has undergone 100% full inspection to ensure 100% good quality.